Welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. This video is the first video of my new video series in which I will try to create different kind of arts but on clothes. And with these videos I will try to reach out to other artists to show them that you can paint not only on the paper or on the canvas or on the wall but on clothes as well. So first art which I will try to create is graffiti art. And it will be challenging because I don't have any idea how to make graffiti, but I will try to figure it out in this video. And to make it even more challenging, I decided to paint on the black clothing. I will paint on the black hoodie. And before we jump into the video, information for all my new viewers. Hoodie which I will create will be washable because I will use fabric paints. And if you want to learn more about fabric paints, about painting on clothes, you can watch my educational videos. I will put links to the description below. So, let's get started! And first I'm gonna sketch design on the hoodie, and I decided to write the slogan of my channel, Fashion is Art. And design which I will create will be in the so-called hip-hop style, with the writing and a lot of cartoonish details, characters. And of course I used references to create this design, but I didn't copy any artwork, because if I would just copy, this video wouldn't make any sense. So I created my own design and even my own font. I know it's not perfect, but it's my first experience, so it's okay. And as you can see, I painted palette and brush and hanger, and I will paint characters, cans of paint, and all these details are about my channel, so this hoodie will be very meaningful for me. And maybe you're wondering why I don't use spray paints, as graffiti artists paint with spray paints. And yes, you can buy spray fabric paints, but I'm not sure can you create such complicated designs with a lot of details using spray fabric paints. And also I'm not sure can you paint on the black clothing with spray fabric paints. So I decided to don't experiment and to paint design with brush. And by the way, I saw artists who paint graffiti on clothes with airbrush. I don't have airbrush either, so in this video you will see how to create graffiti using brush and making brush strokes. So sketching is finished, and now it looks like black and white version of graffiti. But if you watch my educational videos, you know that it's very important to create undercoat first when you paint on black clothing. And now when undercoat is dry, I will paint with colors. I will try to create graffiti style letters with a gradient, and also I will paint all these details. So wish me luck! And I decided to create yellow-orange gradient. I paint upper part of letters with yellow and lower part with orange, and then I blend colors into each other to create smooth transition. And also I decided to decorate letters with flames because I saw that graffiti artists often decorate letters with some lines or spots, so I decided to paint these flames. I paint highlights on the letters with white color. And now I paint background. I decided to paint it with turquoise color because I think that such vivid color of background will make writing pop. And now I outline letters with black paint and also I give volume to them. The word art I decided to paint with pink and purple colors, and same, first I create gradient, then I paint background, then I paint highlights, and then I outline letters with black paint. And the very important tip of painting such cartoonish designs when you paint mostly with pure colors and then you paint an outline is to let each layer dry. Don't put outline on the wet layer or it can wash off after the washing. And I decided to continue painting on the table. It will be easier for me to paint all these details. And now is the most interesting part of the process, so just enjoy. Okay, it's definitely not a graffiti masterpiece, but I think it's a pretty good result for the first try. And I hope that other artists, graffiti artists, will watch this video and they will paint on clothes too. And you can paint not only on the hoodies, but on the sweatshirts, on the t-shirts, on the denim jackets, on the leather jackets, on the jeans. And if you will all together paint graffiti on clothes, we will get rid of all the boring mass market graffiti clothes and also overpriced luxury graffiti clothes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button to support my art and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the message about art fashion. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.